Hello everyone, my name is Nick, and in today's short video I'm going to show you how to post on Cara app. So first of all, let's open up Cara, and now to post something on Cara, you have to click on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Right here, tap on it. So here you can type anything what you want. For example, this is my new art. So also you can click on the picture icon at the bottom left corner to add an image, for example, your art. Let's click on it. So here select the desired image, for example, this one. Of course, we can select multiple images. And after that, click on open at the top right corner. So you can add these images to your profile by highlighting the checkbox in the bottom right corner. Click on it and apply. Okay, here you can add title, description, and so on. And after that, just click on post. And that's all. So that's how you can easily post on Cara app. And if this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave your comment. Thank you so much. Have a great day.